Welcome to this video. I'm happy to have you with me today to talk about H5P. H5P is an authoring tool that help you creating engaging interactive content that you can upload to your learning management system, Blackboard, Moodle, Desire to Learn, all those different learning management systems. And I think your student will find it interesting, and they will enjoy it. Also, they will learn more through practicing those different activities or interactions in different type of format, which we will see later in more details. We'll go through all those functionalities one by one, and we'll spend a good time looking at that. H5P has two sites, one h5p.org, which free, completely free, and the other one h5p.com. The difference between the two, the first one is free, completely free, which licensed by MIT, as you can see here, and it is completely free. The weakness with that, you don't have large storage for your media files that you maybe have it, so you have a limited space to store your data. And when you integrate it with your learning management system, if your learning management system does not have the built-in plugins for it, then you will not be able to track student activities. For that, for Blackboard, we need to go into the other site which we talk about, which h5p.com, and here this is a subscriptions for the institution. It is discounted for education. It costs not that much amount of money, but I just want to show you how you what is H5P at the beginning. Then we'll go to Blackboard and see how we can do the same thing from Blackboard. We'll just focus this video on a little bit introduction on H5P, and then next video we'll be talking more details about the other functionalities. So when you get to the page, you will find the first example here, which a memory game. You click on one of those images, you find, okay, now I know these two are not matching, maybe this one, or then this one, maybe here, yes. Now this one seems to be matching this one, and this and that. This is a simple memory game, but how that can help your student? You can have maybe a concept on one image and related information on another one, and you ask the student to match it together, and that can be very useful. In language, you can find so many ways to do that one. If you're teaching English language or Arabic or any language you teach, this has a really good examples to use. This is one. There are many examples here. The beauty of this one, there are examples everywhere, and there are tutorials for every example. So this is really a great. So if you come here, you will find there are many types of interactivity. So you can have all those type of interactivity with that you can include into your course. I will show you just one in this video, then we'll be going through step by step creating that. So the one I will show you is the interactive video, and I think this is very interesting one. Basically, you grab a video from anywhere, YouTube, or you have your own video that you can upload, and then you go through the video and create interactions at different locations. This is useful in many things. One is you will know if your student really went through the video, because you have a track of what they have done during the interaction. And the other thing, how you emphasize on certain concept in the video by using interactivity or adding additional information, images, text, thing to the video, without going through all these editing challenges. So this video here, if you look at it, you will see there are different spots here this, where are those interactions? So let's play the video. I'll move it a little bit forward here to become faster a little bit. Notice here, this one come on the screen. So this is a multiple choice question, has an image and has a question and answers. So which one? Okay. Yes, it's correct. So if give you instant feedback to your student if it's correct or wrong, and also you have the option to send the student back to the video or ask them to do more work if they do not answer the things correctly, and those things we'll look at it in details. See, here is another one. The previous one, if you notice, when it came here, it did not stop the video. I have to click while the video is running, but this one stopped the video and brought the question on the screen so the student can answer that question. So I'll just select one correct, one wrong. Now I can see I didn't do well. I lost 1 point here and I gained 1 point, so I'm coming with 0. So I can watch the introduction again. So it's sending me back to do that. So these are very useful techniques, and if you come here, let's just jump. Now this is filling the blank, so the student can fill the answers for his questions, and I can see anything doesn't make sense, and then I'll find the answer. Okay, anything, yeah. And then getting those tests. Do you want to see the answers? Now here gave me the option that I can see the answers. So I could have the author allowed student to see the answer, because the learning is more than just assessment. So now you can retry again. I know what is this one, what is that one, and then go ahead. So these are different type of activities that you can add into the video, and it's not only video. There are many things you can do. Look at this one here again. Okay, drag and drop the berries used in okay, I didn't have no clue. Maybe this one and maybe this one. I scored nothing correct. Now I can play this one and this one maybe and show the score. I'm not doing well with this. I'm not good with food. Okay, so you continue. See here, there's something here. This is some tips are added, so you can add some tips into the video. Additional information, like here there is a serving tips, and this is, you click on it, you notice it looks different, small dot from the other dot. Okay, and then you continue here. Here is another. This is the summary coming. These are 3 things summarizing this video, and I need to select the right one of them. Yeah. Okay, and then okay, these are the 3. Now I managed to get 2 wrong, 2 right. So you can have a summary at the end, and then at the end you will get the score. The student scored 1 of 1, that the student is me, and 1 of 3. So this is one example. A video is just one of those examples that we can use. There are so many examples. We will look at them later. In the next video, we will see how we create an interactive video from Blackboard. So be ready for that. Thank you for